In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix control key not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we can do is just to try to restart our system or our Windows 11. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and click on the restart button because once you restart your system that will refresh all the system processes. So try your restart. Second thing is you need to make sure that your keyboard is not physically damaged. So if that is not the case, then we need to move to the next method. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. You have to click on the start button and go to settings, click on system, scroll down and click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Then here you will find So if you can find from here keyboard with the run button corresponding to it. So if this is keyboard and the run button corresponding to it, run the keyboard troubleshooter and just simply follow the on-screen instructions that will fix the issue for you. It will give you suggestions and recommendations. So simply follow what it suggests and what it recommends. After doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Type msdt.exe space hyphen ID space device diagnostics. Hit enter. So here, my case, Windows Online Troubleshooting Service is disabled. But once you enter that command, that will let you into the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So simply run the hardware and devices troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Okay. Then for the next method, right-click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Now, once you are in the Device Manager window, locate keyboards, click on the arrow to expand the list. Right-click on your keyboard driver, select Properties, go to the Driver tab. Now here, if the rollback driver option is not grayed out, simply click on the rollback driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver and click on OK and then close this. So that's it. Again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.